What's going on, everyone? So today we're taking a look at the brand new RIDGID 3.5 round head framing nailer with magnesium metal housing. This is a big gun. Let's get this review started. So RIDGID just came out with this bad boy, and I literally feel like Rambo when I have this thing in my hands. The build quality of this beast is second to none. The housing on this unit is all magnesium. If you're looking for a framing gun that's going to be able to stand up to the elements and the rough abuse that you're going to put it through on the job site, you just found it here. Now, one of the added little features that you get with this gun is the swivel male fitting that RIDGID threw in on this thing. It's just the extra things that count. Now, with the over-molded handle and the trigger, this thing feels great in the hands. It's really going to help prevent from slipping out, and the balance of this gun is just near perfect. And just to give you a closer look at what this looks like, here you go. And FYI, they also put it on the trigger. Now, one of the coolest features on this gun is the toe nailing claw. What this does is actually reduces the slipping, especially when you're up in the corner areas. You can actually dig that in a little bit and it's not going anywhere. Now you also have the non-marring shoe that you can put on the front of this, but check this out. It will definitely come in handy with those tight spaces. And here is a closer look of the No-Mar pad. This is going to allow you to work on material and not have to worry about leaving those marks behind. Alright, now let's take a look at the single and multiple shot. This gun allows you to switch easily between the two, simply by pushing the button in the back and then turning the knob adjustment here. I will show you later in the video how fast this thing actually fires, but just to give you an idea, 8 nails per second. Now another thing I want to focus on is the rear loading magazine with bypass pusher. By simply adding this little clip mechanism here, it changes the game. Alright, let's load this thing up. Check this out. We got 2 full magazines of 21-degree framing nails. Now just pull it back, slide it forward, and that's it. And now we're going to load up our second clip. And again, pull it back, it'll catch. That's it. Now, if you decide that you want to change out the nails, all you got to do is push down this little lever right here. Once you push it down, simply slide. There you go. This motor is extremely powerful. You're able to drive a 3.5 inch by 0.148 inch framing nails into the hardest engineered lumbers. Now a couple other features on this: the dry fire lock, the over molded handle and the trigger, exhaust diffuser with the muffler, tool-free jam, clearing door, and aggressive toe nailing claw with the No-Mar pads. This gun is an absolute monster. Makes it perfect for the heavy duty construction jobs. Everything about this is built for the professional. And we're giving this a 5-star review. Guys, if this has helped, please thumbs up. Check us out at www.toolreviewzone.com and don't forget to subscribe.